Okay, this is the software I'm talking about, right? Okay, let me just take you through a few steps and see how I'm help you. Okay, this software helps you. Like for example, if somebody brings in a car to your workshop, you know, every time it brings in and then you record it, when you come to create this software, it's always show you whatever work you've done or you did or you would do, man. It makes for you quotes, it makes for you summaries of whatever work you've done a day or a week or whatever. Anytime you want to create it, give you reports, right? You know, you can put in the photo of the car, you know, the mileage, the price of whatever work you've done or spares you sold, or the contact of the owner who worked on that car within your workshop. It shows you everything of something attached to it, you know, what job you did, something. Man, okay, let me take you through from the start, so on the menu, right? For example, here, this is Swahili kurekebisha, but this is English, man. Just if you want, this is the logo of your company. You can put the logo of your company here, right? You know, because this logo will always appear. Like for example, if you make an invoice, for example, when you make an invoice, your logo will look like this. So that's why you have to put your logo here, right? Now, for example, this menu shows you your customers. Like for example, 1 minute. Let me first steal Kagame's number. Where is his card port number? Let me copy his card number and close it. Okay, for example, in here, for example, if someone just brings you a car and then you want to create in the system. Okay, here I've just used like 1, 2, 3. Okay, I've used the Kaguta, I've used Kagame, I've used Magufuli, Pombe, Pierre Nkurunziza, Kenyatta. So, like for example, if you're somebody, I mean, fuck me, you know, the name of you may not be knowing the name of the owner of that car, but you know the license plate of that car. So what you do, you just type in the license plate here, and then you say refresh. As soon as if you already have it in the system, you should just bring out here like this. For example, this car belongs to. You just click on it like this and tell, oh, that car belongs to Kagame. He's in Kigali. His phone number is here. His email address is this. Blah, 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 blah. Like for example, what work have you done on that car? You just click here, view work done history. Just click on it, enter the registration number. I've already copied it on my clip, but I put it here, right? And I say refresh history. Okay. I've not done anything on that car. I've not done anything on Kagame's car. But okay, let me show you somebody. I've done something on Uhuru's car. Okay. Fuck. Where is Uhuru's car? Where's Uhuru's car? Let me go to Uhuru's car. Let me copy. Where's Uhuru? I'm sure I've done. Where's Uhuru? Kenya is here. His number plate is here. Let me copy his car's license plate. Uhuru's Kenyatta's car. I copy his license plate, which is this one. Okay, so I see a better example. Like for example, you click here, customer vehicles comes in, you want to create a system, just come here, you type in the part number. Okay, this one I'll show you the guy's number. But you want to see the work history of the car, you know, you just come and take the rich number, you just paste it here. Or you write it there, because you just write it there and then, for example, now, when you type in the license plate, the number plate of that car, registration number, it will bring you whatever date, whatever you've done on that car. You know, like Uhuru's car, you've ever. Okay, I was just doing samples here, man. Like engine time, you see engine timing, bulletproof, or just doing some rough things here, showing everything, how much he paid, this, everything, showing you full description, whatever did and everything, right? So you just give a summary of everything, right? The receipt number, you know, these are receipt numbers, everything, the date he brought it in and you did what, and when you checked in and checked out, right? Okay, so you know what I mean, nigga. Okay, so, like for example, if you, like you see Uhuru Kenyatta, this is his invoice. He has to pay 40 grand, right? But then if he also put it, well, he's broke, man, he pays like maybe 30 grand, but he has a balance of 10k. When you give out receipt, everything, all the system will just print out a sheet showing how much balance he has for you, okay? This is, man, fuck, man, this is not gonna run out, okay? You know, these words I'll show you where you can change these words and write in whatever you want to do, payment, maybe scratch his card or M-Pesa or mobile money or anything, okay? So, shows you the receipt number. I mean, fuck, it gonna make you be organized, nigga, okay? So, as it there, when you go down, it just gives you a summary of all your customers. You know, I've just used like I've just used these six contacts, right? But if you know, I know you have so many customers, so with this full list, you have so many customers, you may not be seeing them here, but it looks something like this. It will bridge, or you can print a small thing like this. Okay, so I want to take you through this because I don't know. Okay, if you want, keep a record maybe of, like for example, service. For example, if you trust a customer and you monitor for them their car, maybe you have to service their car every maybe 30 days or maybe 60 days, depending whether they've traveled far or nearby. So depending on the time you enter in here, that's when the software will give you a message. Nigga, somebody's getting ready for service, call them up. Then you call them and remind them or anything, right? So many other things, you can, but I didn't put any summary there because I'm just doing a summary here, right? I just used 5 examples. I didn't put in so much that I was doing rush. I didn't want to make this video be long, okay? So you can come here and then, for example, which work you've done, work done, invoices. For example, I've done Uhuru. Let me not even waste time. I've done Uhuru, blah, 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 this is the invoices, it's on this date, is whatever, this is the, for example, this is the invoice for Uhuru, right? Like, okay, when you print it out, it's going to be like this. This is Uhuru's, it's going to be like, this is the thing, this is the logo for your company, this is the, I'm going to show you can edit out all these things here and then these words, whatever, man. I'm not sure how we made out the thing, right? This is how the invoice will look like. Okay, this is how the invoice will look like, and say maybe you want like create a receipt. If you want, you just create here then a receipt. Maybe if you have 30 and then you say you paid maybe 20 grand, whatever much you paid, and you just write anything, nigga, fuck, what I mean, right? Okay, okay, then his receipt will look like this, this is Africa, whatever. I'm not sure, nigga, you can add out shit from your whatever invoice, because this is I just entered these details, blah blah. Yes, there's a sample to show you what one, So receipt from Kenyatta, account that, receipt for, write anything depending on what you want. Write anything here depending on what you want. Receipt number, the receipt is number 1. In your system, receipt is number 1, right? And the sales reference is number 2. Amount due is 40 grand, nigga, but nigga paid 30 grand. That means he has the balance of 10 grand. He paid by card. You just scratch the card and then you got everything, right? So this is how things look up. These words you can always edit how to put your TIN number, your taxi number, whatever thing you want, man. So I'm just being brief here. I don't want to make the video long. This is our invoice. I can close sheet here down here. Invoices, set up is where you edit these bloody things, these annoying things that you've been seeing on your invoices. African mechanics, Somalia, fucking invoices, these bloody words here, man. You can edit them out here. Like for example, African mechanics, you can put in maybe Museveni Motors, you put in Motors. What the fuck you want, man, nigga? The names of it, fuck, what I mean? So you change the country from Somalia maybe to Ethiopia, to whatever country you want, nigga. Okay, what else? Invoice, taxi, whatever taxi you want right here. So appear down below the invoice. You know what I'm saying? So here the TIN number, you can put the TIN number you want. You know what I mean, nigga? So yeah. Okay, the part setup, like for example, maybe you have a system at your workshop, like maybe you sell every liter of oil at 10 grand. So you can preset it as a default. You can preset it when you're creating invoice. You just say item code, maybe service, pop, or fuck, man. When you're creating invoice, you just shop very fast, so you save time. This is the sell price. You can, man, nigga, yeah, man, you know what I mean, nigga. So this is how, for example, you can create like a new user. Say maybe user, depending on the user you want, man. User, capital letter, maybe okay. Fuck, man, you can put in people you want to use this to access this bloody thing here. You can put as many as you want at your workplace. Remember, you want, man. You can create so many nigga you want. Okay, these are default. Blah, 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 I'll show you all this, right? Okay, fuck this setup now. You got it, got it, right? So now reports. For example, every day you think can be giving reports, maybe daily, maybe weekly, maybe monthly, whatever you want, man. You can see active contacts is dead, inactive contacts, last visits. You can see all the cars that came in. Since for example, these are using an example of here Uhuru, Nkurunziza, Museveni, Kagame, Magufuli. They all came in here, and then it shows the date they came in, their email addresses and everything, So you keep record of your customers. This stuff sells, memo duties, hell, you fuck it, yeah, choose a day, but I won't choose not there because I don't have time. Just put a day, you know what I mean? In fact, this software will show you all everything you click on. You just click here, and then it will show you all the details. It tells you, Maybe you want to create a quotation, like for example, a quotation like this. If you create a quotation like this, previous quotation. Like for example, if you consider this quotation will look like this. If you just print out, this is the logo for your company, this is the name of your company, 70 blah 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 is in Somalia, this quotation number 4, the date. Fuck man, you know the thing, you know the quotation, nigga. So this is how you're gonna write in, like maybe Grunzi Zangonzi. Okay, nigga, you know what I'm talking about, the tin number and everything. The invoice, you can write anything here that you want, man. You can write anything, but this is how it look like. This is the logo of your company. Depending on logo, you posting like a picture and then you show up here, right? Okay, this is how I'm gonna show it, and I can get out here, man. Okay, fuck, close here, man. Okay, man. Fuck it. For example, view work done history. If you know the guy's registration number, for example, for example, KAG. Have I done anything on KAG? Okay, this is Guru's card. Shows you whatever you've done. I showed you, nigga, fast. Okay, this prerequisite before, on, after, before. Then you can add a new contact. You write there name here, maybe message. You insert in message. I don't want to make this video long and boring, you know. So inactive, but fuck man, you fill in then you contact basically with the car. Maybe his number is maybe T 4 times BCK, like that, you know, the number plate of the car. Okay, you can even put in the VIN number, you put in the fuel type, everything, the vehicle year, engine size. If you want to, you can even put in a picture. Like for example, if I go to Huru's car here, Huru's car, because I put in, I can say okay, customers, and find contacts, and I put a number. This is Huru's sheet, comes here like this, papa. Then contact this vehicle. You see, you can put a picture of his car. So every time you can look at it, there's a picture of his car. Last service, papas, what did you do? This and this and this. Every time you can be updating the photo, depending on how you want to update it. You write in here, man. Go to work done, view vehicles current in workshop, view current work in progress. You can, and then it shows everything, nigga. Everything is all mad. So man, I don't want bloody things, okay? So I think that's all, man. Is there anything I explained to you? Just know that this software, nigga, you should try it, but I'm gonna help you, okay? So I hope it's gonna help you. I don't know what I've explained. I'm just trying to be brief. I don't want to make this video very long and boring, you know, shit, okay? So ciao.